Hey guys, this is Mama Made. So I have the two save coupon inserts that are coming on Sunday, August the 1st, 2021. I believe we're also getting P&G and at least a Smart Source, maybe two Smart Sources. I'm not sure. I don't get Smart Sources, but I do get these in my mailbox in my area. They come early. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and share with you what are in my inserts. Inserts can vary per region and the amounts on the coupons sometimes can vary as well. So here is a spend 30, get $10 on Nature's Bounty vitamins. Here's some fine print. You can hit pause if you want to read more about that. We do have some coupons to go with that if you want to do that. Also, a lot of times drugstores will have these type of vitamins included, so you might be able to make a deal. Osteo Biflex, $5 coupons there. So all these items here are going to be included in that promotion there that they advertised. Vitamin or supplements, Ester C, I guess that's how you say that. I don't know. I don't really take anything but a multivitamin. Here's the Sundown $2, $3 coupons, and $2 Sundown Kids. Pure protein bars, we have 2 off of 4, 2 off of 1, 3 off of 1, and $3 off of the powders. So this was pretty much a vitamin insert. Okay, so this one has some good coupons in it. I don't even know what this is, some type of nutrition product. Zyrtec, $4 and $10 coupons. Dial, buy one, get one free, a limit of one. I don't know what kind of digitals we're going to get. That would be really great if we get digital BOGO coupons. We'll just have to hold on. Maybe it might only be $1 off of one, but a lot of times we get matching digitals in different accounts that we have for Dial. 1 off of 2. 6 off of 2, Schwarzkopf hair color. 2 off of 1, that's a pretty decent coupon there on the Vaseline. Jim and Dean coupons, we don't see these a whole lot. 55 cents off of 1 frozen and 75 cents off, it just says any. And keep in mind that might double, and if you buy a smaller product, it might make a really good deal at a grocery store. Domino Golden, 65 cents. $10 Cossaman. Advil, 3 off of 1 and $1 off of the smaller ones. There's dollar or Family Dollar. Okay, just a few more. Here's the eye care coupons that we get. I feel like we get these monthly. Opti-Free, $3 and then $6 off larger twin packs. Systane. All right. Aquafresh, $1.50 and 75 cents. Dollar Tree used to carry Aquafresh if that's your favorite brand. Here is a buy one Old Spice pump or Olay body wash pump and get a Safeguard fresh clean hand sanitizer for free. So that is definitely a unusual type of a coupon. It's a limit of 2. These are going to be extremely expensive. I'm just telling you that right now. Pump body washes are expensive and there's a lot of soap in there. So I don't really know if that's going to make for a great deal. We'll just have to wait and see. So that's it for the coupon insert preview. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.